Welcome to Devi Dona's Tarot. Today we are going to do a reading for how the year 2025 is going to be for the fire signs, namely Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So we are going to start with the Aries. So let's see what we have in store for Aries. We have is Queen of Pentacles. So that means this year is for you. Whatever you have planned on or whatever you have worked on, it is all yours for this particular year. It is a very positive card and it also shows stability and a lot of resources for you, whether it is financial, emotional or your romantic relationships as well. It is going to be a very positive year for you. Let's see what we have for your guidance. Wow, beautiful. What we have is the Sun. So what this means is that this is your year. 2025 is for you. Whatever you're wishing for, whatever you have wished for is going to come true in this particular year. Aries is a very motivating card, or I must say that this year you have the potential to work further and achieve whatever you have asked for yourself or whatever you have planned for yourself. It is a very positive card, both the tarot card and the guidance card. All the best for you, Aries. Moving forward, we have is Leo. Let's see what we have in store for you. Okay, so what we have is Five of Pentacles. I can see a little bit of challenges in the year of 2025 for you. Even though with the Pentacle cards, what I can say that there will be enough resources and time for you to work on yourself and all the goals that you have listed for yourself for 2025. It might create a little bit of delay or it might create a little bit of problems or struggles going forward, but I can see that you are still moving forward. Let's see what guidance we have for you. Strategy. Great. So as the guidance card tells you that whatever plans that you have made for yourself, Leo, what you have to do is just strategize. What I can see is there is a delay with the Five of Pentacles, but with strategy, if you plan it well, even if there is a delay, there is a success at the end of the journey. So all I can say for you is, Leo, even with the struggles, with your own perseverance and with your own motivated self-will, you will be able to achieve whatever you have planned for yourself for the year of 2025. Moving forward, let's go with Sagittarius. Let's see what we have in store for Sagittarius. Okay, so I can see the Three of Swords. There is a little bit of heartbreak for you, or it is not always on the relationship front, but all over the 2025 energy. But as I can see for this particular card, Sagittarius, you being a self-motivated sign yourself, I think it will be easier for you to not hold on to any of the past relationships or any of the past failures that you have faced, because from what I can see is this gives you a very good learning from your experiences that you have faced. Yeah, it is always hurtful and it is not easy to move forward with all the pain that you have been receiving, but I will say that use that pain as a motivating factor to move forward for 2025. Even though it might be a little difficult, but as I can see, with your own self-motivation, you'll be able to achieve everything that you want. Let's see what we have for your guidance. Patience. Yes. When we get our heart broken, the best we can do is be patient with ourselves. If possible for you, but I can say that if possible, do travel a little bit. Go here and there. Spend time with the people that gives you motivation or gives you the spark in your life. The best motivator is you yourself, but still I would say that this particular year you should be patient with yourself and with your surroundings. That is the reading that I'm getting for Sagittarius. That's it for today. If any of the reading resonates with you, please do like, share and subscribe to never miss an update from Devi Dona's Tarot. Bye bye.